Are you considering eSub church management software? Before you make a decision, there are 12 important things you need to know. eSub offers a variety of features for churches, but is it the right choice for you? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about its ease of use. eSub boasts an intuitive interface that is designed to be user-friendly, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Compared to competitors like Planning Center or Breeze, which some users find overwhelming, eSub simplifies the experience, making it easy for your team to get started quickly. Next, consider the pricing. eSub offers a competitive pricing structure, but it may not be the most affordable option if you're on a tight budget. While it's priced similarly to other solutions, some competitors like Tithe.li offer more cost-effective plans with fewer features. Weigh the cost against the features you really need. The third thing you need to know is that eSub excels in member management. It allows churches to track attendance, manage donations, and create detailed member profiles. However, when comparing it to tools like ChurchTrack, which offers more customizable reporting, you may find that eSub has fewer options for detailed data analysis. Fourth, its mobile app is a useful feature, especially for churches on the go. eSub offers mobile access for both members and staff, so you can stay connected wherever you are. However, it doesn't quite match up to the performance of apps like PushPay or Subsplash, which offer more polished features and smoother user experiences. Another thing to note is the donation management system. eSub supports online donations and integrates with various payment platforms, which is convenient for churches. However, when compared to competitors like EasyTithe, it lacks some of the advanced options for recurring giving and detailed reporting on donations. Sixth, eSub's event management system is effective, but basic. It allows you to organize events and track RSVPs, which is great for smaller churches. But if you need something more comprehensive, like what you'd find with Fellowship One, you might find eSub lacking in advanced event management features. The seventh point is eSub's customer support. While it does offer email and phone support, users have reported that response times can be slower than some competitors like ChurchSuite, which has a reputation for faster and more responsive customer service. Eighth, integration with third-party tools. eSub integrates well with some platforms, but doesn't have as many integrations as larger competitors like Church Community Builder, which offers seamless connections with CRM tools, email marketing platforms, and more. The ninth thing to know is its reporting capabilities. While eSub does offer standard reporting features, the flexibility and depth of its reports are limited when compared to ChurchTrack or Breeze, which allow for deeper insights into financials and attendance. The 10th point to consider is the customization options. eSub's interface is somewhat customizable, but not to the extent of competitors like Planning Center or Church Community Builder, where you can tailor nearly every aspect of the software to fit your needs. 11th, security is a major factor when choosing church management software. eSub provides basic security measures to protect your data, but it doesn't offer the advanced security features of some competitors, which might be a concern for larger churches handling more sensitive information. Finally, eSub is a good option for small to medium-sized churches looking for a simple and straightforward solution. It's easy to use, and it covers the basics without being overly complicated. However, if you're looking for more advanced features, better customization, or superior integrations, there might be a better solution out there for you. In conclusion, eSub is a solid choice for many churches, but if you're looking for something that offers more flexibility and advanced features, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free